What up guys, Magic Art here. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new year guys. Yeah, a new year, new dreams, new aspirations. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. I don't know about you, but I think I'm ready. I hope I am ready. Anyway, let's get to the topic at hand. So today's video is a drawing of me. No, not a drawing of me. A drawing of Asuna. There we go. Yes, Asuna from Sword Art Online and all the other variations of the show. And who knows about this character? Leave a comment below if you know about this character. Man, watching Sword Art Online, it was so many different memories. Like, it was a couple years ago now since we watched it, but I just remember like the whole relationship between her and Kirito. Man, that was some cute stuff going on there. It was just an epic adventure altogether. It did get a lot of hate though, a lot of controversy, but it's whatever. But here in this drawing, I'm just drawing her, and I decided to go with like a pinkish flower theme. You guys will see that as the colors come into play. But I want to show a little piece of my progress of me working from a traditional art standpoint and moving towards a digital and like doing it in digital, and just kind of get the habit of making it in the digital program. So going forward guys, you'll get to see a lot more videos from me covering content, maybe tutorials, whatever it may be. I just hope you guys leave suggestions for that and see what kind of stuff I can make. So maybe I could do like any manga tutorial or anything like that, or just drawing or more in depth on my drawing process. Let me know in the comments below. But going back to the topic at hand, Sword Art Online, and just talking about Asuna and stuff. So like, what are some of y'all's favorite moments from Sword Art Online, and like what do you remember? And like, there were some epic moments for me as well, but I just remember like a lot of the memes, and I'll probably put some up right now so you guys can see some of them. And just like the whole relationship between Kirito and Asuna was really funny in this. It was cute though, very cute. It really got you in the feels. I must say that's what they did a really good job on, was getting you in the feels for that manga. Or sorry, not manga, the anime. Yeah, so like some of the other series that they have, like the newest one, the Alicization, I think that's how you pronounce it. Whatever. But yeah, that one has been pretty popular. That one they say is pretty good. I watched a couple episodes here and there for it, and I like the Alice character and stuff. Like, they definitely made her a Tsunere or whatever, and it's pretty funny. But yeah, they have some epic fighting in there, and the two character dynamic of two main characters. It's really cool. What do you guys think about it? Leave a comment about that in the comments below. So going off topic a little bit, last stream, or the last video I released, I talked about like some of the ways that we can break art block, and also talked about what are your art goals for 2022. So you guys can leave a comment about that too. But we talked about several different things, like defeating art block. Like, what are the ways that you do it? Like, one of the things I recommend was like, okay, get up, walk around, get some fresh air. Or maybe you're feeling unmotivated, so you're like, okay, well, one thing you could do is like, you can get on Instagram and follow your favorite manga artists, or pull out your favorite manga book, and look at some of the panels that really inspire you, or just listen to music and stuff. Like, those things can kind of help you get in the mood creatively and to draw and stuff like that. So yeah, I would recommend going to check out the last stream if you want to see some more in-depth content. You guys can follow me on my socials and stuff like that. And but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. The video's not over yet. I'm just saying that, just plugging in, but just getting the habit of doing that. But anyway, like, tell me what are some of you guys' art goals for 2022, and what do you have planned going forward? And yeah. So I guess I could start with sharing with what I have planned, or some of my own art block methods to get out of art block. I guess that was a funky sentence. Anyway, one of my things that I do is I try to listen to music. I also play guitar and stuff to kind of help me get up, so to get into creative mood and break out of art block. Then also just like getting up or talking to somebody or listen to the radio. And I'm an old man, so I listen to radio stuff. I'm not really old man, but sometimes that happens. And anyway, I'm kind of sick right now, guys. So you pray for your boy. Starting 2022, it's all sickly, but it's okay. It's all right. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through. Yeah. But yeah, going forward, I plan to release a lot more digital painting and stuff. I have a lot of videos that I've been trying to release and get edited so I can put on YouTube. And I want to be more consistent with this, guys, and reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe. You see, I made that little GIF right there. That was pretty cool, huh? Anyway, so going forward, I want to run this idea by you guys. I plan to make a manga 101 journey process with you guys. Just sharing my whole journey of making manga from like original concepting all the way to the actual final pages of it. So if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. I don't know if I should start it now or should I just wait. I kind of want to get out all these little speed paint drawings that I have. But if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments. I definitely wanted to be more focused on character design because I absolutely love character designing and like making your protagonist. Like, what is a good protagonist from manga? I feel like that's a good video idea. But you guys let me know. So going forward, as you can see with the drawing, it's coming on pretty quickly. I'm adding these roses to the background for Asuna, and it's looking pretty cool so far. I thought it would be a cool touch to it for like a little pinkish like rose kind of thing, because she's like a pure kind of color, and that's part of like her theme anyway. Until Kirito hit the thing. Anyway, but yeah, enough silly business. So let's get into today's video verse, something to just encourage you guys. And for today's video verse is Proverbs chapter 3 verses 19 through 20. By wisdom the Lord founded the earth, by understanding he created the heavens, by his knowledge the deep fountains of the earth burst forth, and the dew settles beneath the night sky. Wow, isn't that crazy to think that the Lord created everything and that he founded it on his vast knowledge? And science today points us to the mysteries of the world and how it all came together and got it, and we're just kind of understanding the way God has made things in our world. And like when we look at creation, it's just wondrous, and it kind of helps us to reflect. And as artists, we try to emulate that, that expression through our artwork and stuff. So just something to think about and something to encourage some of you guys out there. And that's just one big part of me that I would love to do, and just to help encourage you. And maybe I should make like small videos about that as well on the side. Sorry for all the sniffling. I am sick still. So anyway, so we're gonna let the rest of the video play out, and I'll catch you guys at the end. Thank you so much for watching this far, and for all the people who did make it this far, leave a big old thumbs up. All that, whatever. I need to find like a catchphrase for like the thumbs up thing. So if you have any suggestions, leave that in the comments too. Alright, see you at the end. Bye. we are coming to the close of the video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching and coming to check out my video and supporting me. More stuff on the way. Let me know in the comments. Not let me alone. Let me know in the comments what do you want to see from me. If I should do like manga tips or share my sketchbook. I think I want to do that next. Maybe I should share my sketchbook next. And yeah, let me know. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Twitch. On Instagram, I'm going to show a lot more of some of my sketches and stuff. I think I'm just going to do that. And just post my artwork on there. And hopefully you guys can follow through. And thank you guys again. And don't forget, the light in the light. Be blessed, folks.